Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: login credentials, registration ID, and clear-scanned ID and photo files. Once logged in, navigate directly to Candidate's dashboard and choose Modify Application to begin. You do this now because delays often lock fields. Make sure to check correction window dates and any fees applicable. Use a desktop browser for stable uploads and have file names short. This prevents upload failures. If fields are grayed out, refresh the page and clear cache, then proceed immediately. Once inside the edit interface, focus on permitted fields only. You cannot change everything. You should correct name spellings, communication details, and category claims where allowed. Explain changes concisely in the remarks if asked. Replace photos and documents adhering to specified dimensions and maximum file size to avoid rejection. Save every section as you go, and use the review screen to cross-check every entry. This prevents simple mistakes that lead to rejection. If unsure about a field, pause and confirm rules. You finalize edits by confirming the summary, completing any required payment, and downloading the updated application receipt. This is your proof. Once done, verify that your registration ID and updated fields match the receipt exactly. Keep screenshots and file copies for backup. If the portal returns an error or your edits do not reflect within 24 hours, immediately contact the Ssc help desk with your registration ID, screenshots, and timestamps. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cache, try another browser, then reattempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.